Hello and welcome to Silly Boy Toys. Today we're going to take a look at my son's very first Lego set, the Lego Duplo Number Train. So here's the boy and the doggy. Now they're going to watch us build here. So we've got a red carriage, a green carriage, click them together, a blue carriage, and another green carriage. Now we have to put on the engine. Now that red thing's a cow catcher. It pushes objects off the tracks. There's the chimney. That's the driver's seat. We'll put the boy in there. Actually, let's take him out and put him on top. Put him on the roof. Now we have to put the numbers on, don't we? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we can put the roof on each of those carriages. So orange on the first one, green on the next one, and blue on the final one. And here's number 10. Number 10 is going to be a tree. Put some leaves on top. So 10 is the trunk, isn't it? And we'll put some rocks next to the doggy. And put the doggy on the rocks. And there we go. We finished. So let's have a play. So we'll put the boy inside the driver's seat. All aboard! Let's go! We'll go all the way around. Here we come. Coming back. Oh, we forgot something. We forgot the doggy. Put him on. There he is. Let's go. Hang on. I think we forgot something else. We forgot the rocks. Quickly, put the rocks on. There we go. All aboard. Hang on, we forgot the tree. Can't forget the tree. Put the tree on. There we go. We're all set. Let's go. And that was Lego Duplo Number Train. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Silly Boy Toys. See you next time. Bye.